Hello friends, today is the last day of the year 2021 and here I am back again with a beautiful pattern for a muffler. You can use this pattern in a cardigan or in a shawl also. It really looks beautiful. So first we will make the first row of chains. The count will be a multiple of 4 plus 3. That means you can take 16 plus 3, 19 chains, or 20 plus 3, 23 chains. Now to make this muffler, I have used 44 plus 3, that is 47 chains. But here I will be showing a smaller size pattern where I have taken 20 plus 3, that is 23 chains. So I finished making 23 chains. Now we will make a double crochet in the fourth chain. So in the fourth chain we will insert the hook and make a double crochet. Then in the next two chains again we will make a double crochet each. So the first three chains serve as the first double crochet and then we have made 3 double crochets. So in all there are 4 double crochets. Now chain 1. So chain 1, skip 1 chain and make 3 double crochets in the next 3 chains. So 1, 2 and 3. So 3 double crochets in the next 3 chains. So we will repeat this. We will make a single chain, chain 1, skip 1 chain and make 3 double crochets in the next 3 chains. In this way we will complete the whole row. So I've come to the end of this first row and we have 5 chains left, you can see. So at the end we will make a single chain, skip 1 chain and make 4 double crochets. So you can see in the beginning we had 4 double crochets and at the end we have 4 double crochets, but in between we are having 3 double crochets. So this is how the first row looks. Now chain 1 and turn the pattern. And now we will make a single crochet in each of the chains which we get. So here we make single crochets in each of the chains of the previous rows. So the second row is very easy. It's just a row of single crochets. Now I've come almost to the end of the second row. So a few single crochets are left. In the chain space also you have to make a single crochet. Like this. And in the third chain of the last 3 chains, you will see in the third chain you have to make the single crochet. The 3 chains which serve as the first double crochet of the first row. So this is the end of the second row. Now we make 4 chains and turn the pattern. Now we have to make front post treble through the double crochets of the first row. So for the treble we twist the thread 2 times around the hook and then take the hook like this through the double crochet, pull the yarn in this way. So this is a treble or a triple crochet. So we are making front post treble through the first 3 double crochets like this. So it looks like this. You leave the first double crochet and in the second, third and fourth double crochet you will make the front post treble. Now chain 1. Now we have to make back post treble like this. So the hook will go through the back of the double crochet. So we have to make back post triple crochet or back post treble through the next 3 double crochets like this. So the pattern looks like this now. So in this way, in an alternate way, we have to make front post treble and back post treble throughout the row. So you can see I have reached the end of the third row. Chain 1 and now we'll make the trebles. And for the last one we will make a double crochet in the last single crochet of the previous row. So here we are not making a front post or a back post treble, we are making a double crochet. Like this. So this is how the pattern looks. Now chain 1, turn the pattern and this is going to be the row of single crochets. So I've completed the row of single crochets. Now the last single crochet will be on the fourth chain of the previous row. You remember we started the previous row with 4 chains. So now we will make 4 chains and turn the pattern. Now we started the previous row of trebles with front post trebles. Now we will make back post trebles. So it will be just the alternate. So wherever we have made front post treble, we will be making back post trebles. So we will make 3 back post trebles, then chain 1. Now we will make 3 front post trebles. So it will be just the alternative pattern of the previous row. Wherever there is front post treble, we have to make back post treble, and wherever there is back post treble, we have to make front post treble. So it looks like this. So I have almost completed this row. Now after making the 3 trebles, we will make a double crochet on the last single crochet of the previous row. So double crochet on the last single crochet of the previous row. This is how the pattern looks like now. Chain 1, turn the pattern, and then the row of single crochets starts. So it's just the repeat of these 2 rows, a row of single crochet and then the row of front and back post trebles. So you can make the pattern as long as you wish depending on the type of your project. I have used this pattern in a gents muffler and it has come out really beautiful. So the width of the muffler, I have taken 44 plus 3, that is 47 chains, and the length, it is approximately 70 to 75 inches. So it's a very easy pattern which you can use in a shawl or a muffler or a cardigan. It's quite dense and it will keep you warm. I hope you like the pattern.